Jesus knows what to do. He has the final say. He just knows what to do. He has the final say. Everybody say, Jesus knows what to do. He has the final say. Jesus knows what to do. He has the final say. Oya naja nanirwa. Oya naja nanirwa. Oya naja nanirwa. Forever he remains the same. Jesus knows what to provide. He is Jehovah Jireh. Jesus knows what to heal. He is Jehovah Rapha. He knows how to make a way for you. He is the way maker. Say Jesus, Jesus knows what to do. He has the final say. Jesus knows what to do. Jesus knows what to do. He has the final say. He has the final say. Oh yeah, oh yeah, naja nanirwa. Oh yeah, naja nanirwa. Oh yeah, naja nanirwa. Forever he remains the same. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Amasezerano yawe nahinduka. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Amasezerano yawe nahinduka.
Calixte. No.
Calixte. Yewe uranyejeje kubera ushaka kuba umu MC mwiza. MC ari mugenzi wawe ushaka kumufasha. Iya, umu MC mwiza kabisa. Umushyushya rugamba mwiza rwose. Ariko kuririmba rwose kuba nta ruhare.
ariko urajyahe ngo subire. Because of the vocal range of Mishi, I want to give you a short yes from you.
Tugiye kubishyikiriza ukuriye akanama nkemurampaka kuko ngwaye yes.
Yesu ashimwe.
Sayimana.
Uriyumva ute? Uri kwiyumva ute?
Nishimye.
Yes.
Murakoze.